Welcome to Learn English and Practice. Today, we will practice with the alphabet. Speak, listen, and practice. Here is the alphabet. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Listen. How do you spell your name? My name is spelled J-A-K-E. Thank you. How do you spell yours? It is M-A-R-Y. Practice. Me first, then you. How do you spell your name? Great. It is J-A-N-E-T. You go, then me. You spell it B-E-N. How do you spell yours? You try. Pause and practice. Listen. Which letters are vowels? I don't know. That's okay. I think I do. Great. What are they? A, E, I, O, U, sometimes Y. Me first, then you. Which letters are vowels? That's right. What about Y? Very tricky. You go, then me. A, E, I, O, U. Sometimes Y is a vowel, and sometimes it is not. You try. Pause the video and practice which letters are vowels. Listen. Can you sing the alphabet? I can't. That's too bad. I can. Really? That's great. Yes, it is. You first, then me. Yes, I can. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Me first, then you. Can you sing the alphabet? Please do. That's great. You try. Pause the video and practice. Can you sing the alphabet? Good. Challenge. 3 questions. How do you spell your name? Which letters are vowels? Can you sing the alphabet? Pause. Practice. There are other beginner lessons on this channel and an intermediate lesson on this topic. Like, comment, and subscribe. Goodbye.